Look in the mirror and be honest. Do you see someone who's confident or someone who's pretending to be? Everyone talks about confidence, but here's the truth. Most people are pretending. They stand tall, speak loud, post like they've got it all figured out, but inside, they're still second-guessing every move. And that's okay, because pretending to be confident isn't wrong. It's just the first step. The problem is, most people stop there. They wear confidence like a mask, instead of building it like a muscle. Real confidence doesn't come from acting fearless. It comes from facing fear, taking action, and stacking real wins. So let's drop the mask and build the real thing. This video outlines 7 key areas that show how you can build that unstoppable, dangerously confident mindset which will help you in business and in life. Welcome to our channel. Let's get into it. First up, stop waiting for confidence to arrive. Confidence doesn't arrive first, action does. Most people wait to feel confident before they move, but the truth is, you act your way into confidence. Every small action, from speaking up, to saying no, to taking the first step on your business idea, sends a message to your brain: I am capable. Action builds identity, and identity builds dangerous confidence. Dr. Andrew Huberman, a Stanford neuroscientist, says that behavior not thought rewires the brain through a process called neuroplasticity. Think about Richard Branson, the billionaire founder of Virgin. He didn't start out confident. In fact, he left school at 16 because he struggled with dyslexia. But instead of waiting to feel ready, he just jumped in and launched his first magazine with no business experience. Next, train your inner voice like an athlete. The most powerful voice in your life isn't anyone else's, it's the one inside your head. That voice decides whether you rise or retreat, so if your inner voice keeps whispering, "You can't do this," or "You'll fail again," you've got to retrain it to say, "I can do this, I will succeed." Think of it like building mental muscle. Dr. Huberman suggests combining self-directed language with physiological states like deep breathing and confident posture to enhance the effectiveness of affirmations and build resilience. This is mental conditioning, and over time, that new inner voice becomes your greatest weapon. Number 3. Reframe fear as a signal, not a stop sign. Fear isn't the enemy, it's the compass. It points to the exact area where growth lives. When you feel fear, it's not a warning, it's your system saying, something big is waiting on the other side. The most confident people in the world still feel fear. They've just learned not to obey it. So the next time fear shows up, don't run, smile and step closer. You're training your nervous system for courage. That's what makes you dangerously confident, not that you never feel fear, but that you move through it. At number 4, we have built unbreakable self-respect. Confidence comes from trusting yourself, and trust is built through consistency. Every time you break a promise to yourself, like skip the gym, delay your goals or make excuses, your brain learns not to trust you. But when you show up, even in small ways, your inner voice starts saying, "I can rely on me." That's the foundation of dangerous confidence, not arrogance, but self-respect, so start small. Things like wake up when you say you will and follow through on one daily goal. Keep your word, especially when no one's watching. Because confidence isn't about how others see you, it's about how you see yourself. 5. Own your space and energy. Body language is silent power. How you walk, breathe, and stand sends a signal before you even speak, so practice physical confidence. Keep your shoulders back, head high, eyes forward, and steady your breathing. When you claim your space, you tell the world, and your brain, "I belong here." That energy is magnetic and people will listen. It makes opportunities find you. That's not ego, that's embodied confidence. When your posture says, "I'm ready," your mind follows, and soon, your life does too. 6. Embrace rejection as proof of courage. Here's a mindset shift that changes everything. Rejection isn't failure, it's feedback. Dr. Huberman explains that confidence grows when your brain learns to stay calm under pressure. Every no teaches your nervous system resilience, proof that you're in motion, learning, and adapting. The only people who never face rejection are the ones who never act. So don't fear it, collect it, study it, and use it as your armor. Each rejection you rise from strengthens your mental circuitry, because real power doesn't come from being accepted, it comes from being unshakable when you're not. And finally, surround yourself with energy that builds you. Confidence is contagious, but so is doubt. If you hang around people who constantly complain, criticize, or compare, your energy will shrink. Instead, surround yourself with people who inspire action, who challenge you to grow, who remind you of your greatness when you forget. Your environment shapes mindset, and mindset shapes destiny. Choose people who speak life into your goals. That's how you keep your confidence strong even when life gets hard. Comment below on one bold move you'll take this week to grow your business or leadership confidence. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more great content, and share with someone you feel needs it today. See you in the next one.